In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert ChatGPT to Grammarly for free. By the end, you'll know how to generate content in ChatGPT and instantly polish it with Grammarly's free editor, all in a few quick moves. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and press Enter. Look for the official ChatGPT website and click it to open. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can start a new chat. Once you're in ChatGPT, place your cursor in the message box and type your prompt. For example, you can write, "Create an essay about the history of space exploration." Feel free to be specific about the tone or length if you want a certain style. When you're ready, press Enter or click the Submit button. ChatGPT will generate the essay for you. When the response finishes, it's time to copy the text. Click into the response, highlight everything you want to move over, and press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. You can also use the built-in copy icon beneath the response if you see it. Before you leave, glance over the text to make sure you've captured all paragraphs and headings you want to refine. Now open a new tab and go to Grammarly's website. The free web editor is perfect for this workflow. Once it loads, look for the option to create a new document and click it to open a blank page. Click inside the document and paste the essay you copied from ChatGPT by pressing Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. Within a moment, Grammarly will scan your text and show suggestions. Use Grammarly's recommendations to improve grammar, spelling, clarity, and conciseness. Work through the suggestions one by one, accepting changes that strengthen your writing and skipping anything that alters your meaning. If there's a sidebar with goals or tone settings, adjust them to match your intent, formal or informal, academic or casual, so the suggestions fit your purpose. As you review, read sentences aloud to check flow and coherence. If a suggestion seems off, click for more details to understand the rule behind it, or ignore it confidently. And that's it. You've generated content with ChatGPT and refined it with Grammarly for free. This quick process helps you draft fast and polish with precision. When you're satisfied, your clean, corrected text is ready to share, submit, or format wherever you need it.